What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome and welcome back. How y'all doing? So in this video, I will be doing a wig review on this wig right here. Yeah, she is unsponsored, but she looked real good. I got her from Amazon. Don't remember how much I spent on her, but I'm sure I will put it somewhere in the video. And yeah, I like it. She's 26 inches. 13 by 4, 13 by 6, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, y'all, this is how she looking, and it's cute, baby. I look real good. No makeup, no lashes, just me, bare face with my hair done. That's all I need. That's all I need, because I've been tired of sitting around here looking like a little boy, okay? And I look like somebody. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the details on this wig, or if you just want to watch me do my hair, then stay tuned.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pick, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy, drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a meds. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out, you bitch you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth, they been trying it. If it's beef, then let me know, baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Pigs like your pussy, we all know that cat is giving fits. When I send that eggplant, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk. That shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
I been missing out the walk with the minute. I been building up the blocks like a man. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, I let her go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that dick me. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, hey, Cardi B and Pepe, hey, Cardi B and kick the shit in. Hey, yeah, give me a minute, hey, I need a minute. Hey, Cardi walking, Cardi making, hey, Cardi making hit. Hey, we gon' need some linen, hey, we gon' need Margiela. Hey, make sure you ain't on linen, hey, make sure I got linen. Money got the selling, got me looking in. Hey, what we be at and understanding. Hey, what I be at sad bitches ain't no dealers. Hey, I be at sad bitches ain't no messes. Hey, fucking on your baby, I'm a greater baby. Hey, what 21, hey, sitting on 2 mil. Hey, yeah, I got a deal. Hey, might sign another deal. Hey, get my partner deal. Hey, if I go to jail. Hey, money for the bill. Hey, money on the scale. Hey, give me a minute. Yeah, I need a minute. Hey, I'm a minute. I'm need a minute. Hey, I'm gonna tell you. Hey, Cardi B and Pepe.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame in Philippines. No kissing, no stain, no pressure clean. Ice at the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping gold like I'm Mr. T. I won't ride that new rose at that pendant beat. We gon' got some Chanel, the double C. And I brought her back, gotta love me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on that jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the boy with no evidence. I pay my dues just like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got a stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they wanna. I treat these hoes like they wanna. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover and I overcome. I made a play at the tongue dog and I had double go with some bubble gum. I got a chain and some another sun and I jab all enough of my other one. Shout eating crazy, we way in London. Back a hat tank to y'all like a Farrakhan. Now I brought hoes on a mirror gun. I was there running streets and some marathon. Bitch right pen me build. Take 8 pit and kill. My dope turn to dope. Throw away all of my jokes. Spittle. Been take up no little. I done ran them M's on the little. Everything spawn gotta get her. Riding with a bitch in my color. About to dress a bitch up and then cut her. About to feature my pistol with a diamond. About to pull up on you, hold my brothers.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. Ain't been no back and forth ever since. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I tried to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. got a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitch is sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I thought for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga 5 attachment. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch back for that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex looking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now it says can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no two shots. Slime with my gang and them, look at them like sisters. Bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of that. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut that body off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type that nigga make her mad, she going too soon. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I don't type to be some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Man. Now that was scream. Man. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went shitty nail curls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want wall it all my hole. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not a pill. Hey, you want to spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yo, yo.
Okay, y'all, so it wouldn't be a proper wig review if I didn't tell you guys how I felt about this wig, obviously. So the hair is actually very, very soft, very, very fluffy. Once I fully let it dry, the curls were so big and so pretty. The wig itself is actually very good quality. I like the lace,
It lasted me a very long time, and it did what it's supposed to do, baby. And I ate the girls up in it, period, as I usually do. But everything will be in the bio. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.